What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my show. So for today's episode, I am gonna show you how to make pork and shrimp siomai. So now let's go! Okay, so this siomai is very simple to make. So let me show you all the ingredients that we are going to use. We have this minced carrots, so we're all gonna put it here. Water chestnut. So this is about, I'd say, half a cup. Minced as well. Medium-sized onion, minced. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. About 2 cups of portobello mushroom, also minced. About a tablespoon of sugar. A teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 cup of minced shrimp. Of course, this is already cleaned and deveined. 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and the final ingredient is 2 large eggs. Now that all of our ingredients are in the bowl, we are going to start mixing this. So by the way, the ground pork is about 2.5 pounds. And to those people that don't eat pork, you can also use chicken if you want to. So now that all of the ingredients are mixed, I'm going to use my hand to mix it thoroughly. When you're mixing ingredients using your hand, don't be shy. Just keep mixing it.
A few moments later.
Now that we have mixed all of our ingredients, and also I already wrapped this in a cling wrap. So after 30 minutes, I am gonna show you how to wrap this in a wonton wrapper.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after 30 minutes, we are gonna put this mixture now into our wonton wrapper. So typically, you can buy this in a regular Asian store and it doesn't cost much. So it's like $2.50 for this whole thing. I don't know how many pieces is this. It's probably like about 80 to 100 pieces. Okay, so first thing that we do is just we grab a piece. We just made our second siomai. Alright guys, I'm gonna come right back. I'm just gonna finish all of this, okay? So after we make our first batch, we are now going to steam this into my steamer, and we are gonna steam this for about 15 to 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Let's see if the siomai is cooked. I think I'm gonna use the tong. It's kind of hard to take it out from the steamer. Oop. It's breaking apart. I think I overcooked it, guys, but I think it's okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. Now let's go taste it. Alright guys, so we have finally made our siomai. Look at this. Just by looking at it, it looks delicious, right? So before I start, I know you guys are gonna be hungry while I'm eating this. So I suggest that you get your own food first, so it doesn't matter what it is. So please eat with me, okay? And I also made this just a regular ramen from the store that we could buy, you know, like those dollar ramen, because I know this is perfect together. It's a perfect combination. So now let's try it now. Can't wait. It smells so good. Here it is. First bite, guys. Wow. This tastes really good. You know the quality, guys? It tastes just like I'm eating in a restaurant right now. I tell you guys, follow my recipe. The outcome is gonna be really similar to this, guys. Wow, I can't believe this. Now let's try this with the sauce that I made. So basically this is just soy sauce with some lemon and some sesame oil. First bite, guys, with the sauce. Wow. This thing is awesome, guys. Now let's taste our ramen. Our homemade ramen. Not homemade, I'm so sorry. The ramen from the 99-cent store. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Now let's try it with our siomai. Dip it in here. First bite. So good, guys. Yummy. Mm. Mm. Oh, by the way, we also have a chili oil. We're gonna try this with a chili oil. You can open it. Okay. I know this is also good with the chili oil, so let's try it. Some chili oil on top. Here you go. First bite, guys. Mmm. 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 You know what this tastes like? I can describe it to you. Chinatown. It feels like I'm eating Chinatown. It's super close to authentic recipe, guys. Mm. By the way, just before I go, first I wanted to thank to my subscribers, and of course to the new subscribers that we have. We actually now have 40 subscribers. Can you believe that, guys? I started from 0, now it's 40. I know it's slow, but you know what? We'll get there. Let's hope that we'll get there, okay? So thank you for your support, guys, and I hope that you always take care of yourself, especially nowadays that we have a new variant again. And thank you guys for watching. Adios! Last bite, guys. Mmm. Mmm.